Dogs sense storms early. Dogs can predict storms hours before humans even notice a change. Their noses pick up on shifts in atmospheric pressure and humidity that signal incoming weather. Ears tuned to frequencies we can't hear let them sense distant thunder long before it reaches us. Some dogs grow anxious or restless as storms approach, reacting to subtle cues we miss. This superpower once helped wild dogs survive by seeking shelter early. Next time your pup acts strange before rain, they're probably reading the sky better than your weather app.